Hello everyone, today I'll show you how Magento Go and Magento 2 implementation written in Go works. I've received many questions about how everything fits together, so let's go through it step by step. We have an open source GitHub repository that contains the Magento Go codebase. The service communicates directly with the Magento database using Go and GORM, bypassing Adobe's slow, fragile PHP stack. First, clone the repository and move into the new folder. Next, run two commands. The first installs dependencies. Go mod is like composer install for Golang, and the second launches Magento Go. Before starting, create a .env file with your database credentials mine is already prepared. With that in place, I can simply run go run.cmd Magento Go. The binary compiles instantly, and the server starts. If you visit an undefined route, you'll get a 404, which means the router is working. Now let's explore the available APIs. There aren't many yet, but new endpoints are easy to add. For example, Open API product flat. That endpoint returns 2.0 products full data and prices in just 86 ms without any heavyweight full page cache. There's a small in-memory cache, but nothing like Magento's application level caches. Fetching a single product is lightning fast without any FPC. Product 1 returns in 0.1 ms, product 4 in about 0.13 ms. Categories are just as quick. The complete tree of 40 categories loads in 22 ms on a cold start and individual categories in roughly 2 ms. A minimal front end is included. Pages render correctly products, categories, everything, and even without full page cache, the server responds in about 0.4 ms. Lighthouse in an incognito window reports 0.7s FCP and 1.2s LCP. Cron jobs live in the cron folder, drop in a Go file, and it's auto-registered. There's also a JSON indexer, similar to Magento's flat index, that stores data in JSON for speed. Re-indexing the entire 2.0 product catalog takes less than 1 second. Most of that time is spent in the database. The CLI is extremely fast, essentially limited only by database latency, and a single 10-core server can easily handle the load. Thank you for watching.